Hello guys, welcome. Today I'm going to give you 5 tips how to make extra money during the crisis. Because of the government decisions we are facing massive inflation.
How dare you!
Every day we have to pay more and more for the same items. It would be a great idea to start make some extra money. But how we should do that? Well, as usual, make a tea, sit down and let's go. Renovation. You don't really need extra skills to do renovation. Many people are buying old, used or broken items because they can't afford to buy a new one. After a while, they simply bin it, and that's the point. Instead of throwing it away, bring it back to life. There are lots of items you could make money on. If you could buy a can of paint, you could actually convert this chair into that. It's not only a chair. I can bet with you, if you will look around your house, you will find some old or broken items. There are people out there who will buy this from you. If you don't have anything old at home, go to the charity shops. They are almost on every corner. I'm pretty sure you can find something there and help the others in need in the same time. Sell your skills. If you don't have any items to sell, you might consider to sell your skills, and I'm sure you have some. You might be good with computers or playing guitar. You might be good with dancing, and there is many people who would actually pay you to learn how to dance. You might be also good with cooking or with the science, good with painting. I'm sure you are good with something, and there is somebody who will be happy to pay you for some lesson. One of the benefits apart from the money is that you can offer your skills to the people in your free time. There is no need to take time off from work, so actually you don't lose money. You will make the money. Rent room in your home. Lots of people have financial problems at the moment. Not surprised with today's inflation. Everything is expensive, including gas, electric, water, council bill, broadband and much more. What would you say if someone would pay you, let's say £480 each month? It would cover lots of expenses. Did you know that you can rent your room and actually will not have to pay the tax income? Yes, you heard me right. You can earn from your lodgers £7,500 per year, and this will be tax-free under the rent room scheme. I understand it's not really comfortable to share your house with the strangers, but lots of people have been doing this for years and they made some money. If this is hard time for you, maybe you should consider this. Just before you do, if you own the house but you pay mortgage, contact with your mortgage provider. Make sure he's okay with this. Become takeaway driver. You work 8 hours a day, 5 days a week, but mortgage takes so much money of you. And on the top of that, you have very expensive bills to pay. End of the month there is nothing left in your wallet. Solution? Become takeaway driver. Average fast food driver earn £10.50 an hour. On the top of that, they get tips. What personally I like at most in this job is flexi hours you can have. You can choose what time you start and finish. It could be couple hours only or all evening, few days a week or 7 days. And what most important, it won't affect your daytime job. And in this way we get to the end. The last tip is clearing out your wardrobe. There is some money hanging on your rails. More and more people choosing to buy clothes online. There is no crowd, you save the time and money. There is much more sizes and colors compared what you can find in your local shop. What that mean to you? It's easy way and great time to sell your unwanted clothes online. The best known online website to sell your clothes are Mercari, Poshmark, eBay, ThredUp, Vinted, Depot. What most of the sellers are thinking is best overall is Mercari, best name brands Poshmark, best for large customer base is eBay, best for easy of use is ThredUp, best for bargains Vinted, and best for design clothes is Real. This is the hard time for everyone. Second-hand clothes are getting much more wanted than ever before. This is the great way for some quick cash, so don't waste the time. Check your wardrobe, decide what clothes you don't want to wear anymore and make some money. That's it for today. I hope you found this useful for yourself. If you have any friends, share with them so we can help more people. If you have any questions, please send me a message and I will back to you as soon as I can. Thank you for having me today. Bye!